If you're working on Mac OS, the first step is to download and install the Java Development Kit from Oracle. You can get the Java development from the URL java.oracle.com. This link will take you to the current homepage for the Java technology. In this screen, look at Software Download and look at the link for Java SE. Click on Java SE. This Java SE download screen. Take a look at the list of available download. The most recent version of Java will be listed at the top. At the time of this recording, the most recent version of Java was Java SE 14. For this course, I primarily use Java 8. To get Java 8, scroll a little bit further and you see a link for the most recent version of Java 8. Click on the JDK download link. Scroll down a little bit further. Then for Mac OS, take a look at the options. And download the right version of Java for Mac OS. Click on JDK download link. Check the box and then click download button. It's prompted for you to sign in to Oracle. You type your user and password and then click sign in button. If you do not have an Oracle account, just create one account. I downloaded the installer to my desktop. It's DMG file. When you open it up, it shows the conventional installation package. Now run the installer and walk through all the prompt to install Java. There are no option to take care of. When you see this screen, the installation is complete. Click Close. Once you complete the installation, the next step is to test it. I recommend using Terminal for this. I go to Finder. Click on Application. Then go to Utilities. And open Terminal on my system. I first test Java, the application that I run. I type Java --version. Hit Enter. And that tell me my runtime Java. Now check my compiler. Type Java C --version. Then hit Enter key. And once again I see that I'm running the right version of Java. If you can execute the runtime command Java and the compiler command Java C, you're already installed Java on your system. Now let me show you where Java is installed. Go to Finder. Click on Go. Then choose Computer. From there, go to Macintosh HD. And go to Library folder. Then there you see a folder named Java. Double-click on Java. Choose Java Virtual Machines. Go to JDK folder. Then double-click on Contents. And double-click on Home. The Home folder has the folder name bin. And this folder contains all of the development application. And there are all the Java command including Java, Java C, Javadoc and many others. Again you need to know this particular directory location later on in the course. When you config the Eclipse, to tell where certain tools are such as the Javadoc command. So now you install Java. You tested it to make sure you can run both the Java virtual machine and the compiler and you've seen where the Java files are installed. Now you're ready for the next step in the process installing Eclipse on your systems.